Hello everybody, my name is Kalia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I create this look right here. This really magical ethereal makeup look. And if you want to figure out how I did it, keep watching and stay tuned. Today I'm going to be using the YSL Blur Primer. As usual, I am priming my eyelids with the Lorac Behind the Scene Eye Primer. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm applying it to my T-zone and smile line. The first eyeshadow color I'm going to apply to my crease is the Buon Fresco from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Next, I'm going to top off the outer crease of my eyes with the shade Deep Purple from the Lorac Pro palette. I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Drift as a transition color. Now I'm going to apply the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Sea Siren all over my eyelid. It's really pigmented, so I'm using my finger to blend it outward, just a little. I want to define my eyes more, so I'm going to top off my crease in the bottom outer corner of my eyes with the Naked Cosmetic Loose Powder Eyeshadow in the shade Mother Nature. For this tutorial, I'm using my favorite foundation from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna in the shade 230. I will be using my beauty sponge to apply this Kat Von D powder in shade Lyric. Apply this under your eye, chin, nose bridge, and forehead. This will make your face pop out more. To create the white eyebrows, I dip a disposable spoolie into the NYX white liquid eyeliner and brush it onto my eyebrows evenly. To create more shape to my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. With the NYX white liquid eyeliner, I'm creating a thin wing following the shape of my eyes. Using another disposable spoolie, I'm going to apply the NYX white liquid eyeliner as a mascara to create white lashes. Do this for both top and bottom of your lashes. You can also use the NYX eyeliner brush to apply them on. I'm using the Rimmel Kohl White Pencil Liner and the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil to tightline the top and bottom of my eyes. Using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Beautiful Bronze, I'm going to contour only my nose for this makeup look. And I'll use the shade Shadow Play from my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette to define my nose furthermore. To look ethereal, you want to really glow, and to achieve that, I'm going to use the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drop in the shade Sunlight. They're really pigmented, so a little goes a long way. And just one highlighter isn't enough. I have to top it off with the Balm Mirror Luminizer highlighter. To add some colors to my cheeks, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush. Using the NYX White Liquid Eyeliner, I'm going to create faux freckles with it. I want to keep the lips sweet and simple, so I'm going to apply this light pink lip gloss from Mally. So we're almost done here. The final step to this makeup look is to apply small flowers and petals to your face. You can use any kind of flowers. For this tutorial, I'm using my favorite flowers, hydrangeas. I'm using the NYX glitter glue to stick them on. And this is the final look. If you want to be extra like me, you can add a crown to your head so that you look like a princess. Or you can add flowers and petals to your hair so you look like a fairy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below to let me know what you thought of the video and also what you'll like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.